Live in one of the following counties and want to protect our environment? Most Maryland residents live within a half-mile of a storm drain, stream, or river. Almost all of those waterways eventually drain into the Chesapeake Bay. What we do to maintain our own landscapes can affect the health of our local waterways, the Chesapeake Bay, and our environment. The misuse of pesticides and fertilizers, lack of water and soil management, and poor plant selection all contribute to the degradation of the bay. By getting your property Bay-Wise certified, you commit to implement sustainable landscaping and gardening practices that improve water quality, conserve natural resources, and save you money. By completing simple tasks like watering your garden earlier in the day, leaving your grass clippings on the lawn, and reducing pesticide use, you build up inches. Once you get at least 36 inches, a certified master gardener will come and certify your property, showing that you are helping to protect our water supply. Individual efforts may seem small, but they all add up to make a big difference, improving the health of our environment.